Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple pasta recipe. I'm going to use chicken for this recipe. You can also replace this chicken with paneer, mushroom or any vegetables of your choice. I'm going to do this recipe with an Indian twist to this. I'm going to add some spices that we all love. So come on, let's get started. So let's marinate the chicken pieces for making pasta. I have taken around 250 grams of boneless chicken which I have cut into bite-sized pieces. To this, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, half a teaspoon of garam masala, salt as required, half a teaspoon of lime juice. Mix all these well and let this marinate for 30 minutes. I have kept some water to boil and now this is boiling hot. I am going to add generous amount of salt to it. Also adding 1 teaspoon of oil so that the pasta will not stick to each other. To this, I'm going to add around 2 cups of pasta. I'm using elbow pasta today. For the sauce, I have taken 5 tomatoes. I'm just going to make a slit, just like a cross, so that we can peel off the skin easily after it is boiled. I'm going to drop the tomatoes in the same water and let this cook for 5 to 7 minutes. And we'll have to cook the pastas according to the instructions given in the pack. And now our tomatoes and the pasta are well cooked. I'm just going to save 1 cup of water and drain the remaining water. So first, let's cook the chicken pieces. For that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil to the same pan. To this, I'm going to add our marinated chicken pieces. And now let this cook for 5 to 6 minutes until the chicken pieces are well cooked. Now the chicken pieces are well cooked. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. And now I'm going to peel the skin of the tomatoes and then grind this into a smooth paste. To the same pan, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. This I'm going to add 5 cloves of garlic which I have finely chopped. Saute it for a few seconds. I'm going to add 1 more teaspoon of olive oil. And now to this I'm going to add 2 onions which I have finely sliced and saute it for just 30 seconds on high flame. To this I'm going to add our ground tomato paste. Mix it well and let this cook on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And now to this I'm going to add the saved pasta water. Mix it well. Add salt only if required because the water that we have added now already has salt in it. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs and our cooked chicken pieces. Mix it well. Also adding the drained pasta. Mix it well, and if you want it more spicier, you can also add a teaspoon of pepper powder at this stage. That's it, our yummy pasta is now ready. You can serve this with a piece of grilled chicken. It was so simple and it looked delicious, right? Enjoyed eating this recipe. Do trust me and try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.